As you may remember the minimum requirement from the earlier lecture, Windows 10 needs 16 GB of free disk space for 32-bit operating system, and 64-bit requires 20 GB of free space. If you have no more extra space, you might want to make some room for upgrading your current system, and Microsoft has a very good built-in application called Disk Cleanup. Go to Start button. In the search box, type Disk Clean. You can see Disk Cleanup tool at the top of the results. Click on it. From the Disk Cleanup drive selection window, select the default drive. C drive is usually a system drive that what we need to clean up. Click OK and it will calculate the unnecessary files. From the file list, you will see downloaded files, temporary internet files, recycle bin and other few options. Select every option from this list. Now go to down and there is a Clean up System Files button. Click the button and stay on drive C. Now click OK. Select every other options you find. Total number of free space you gain may differ from this lecture because this system is not used so much than yours. Confirm to delete the files permanently. It will not be able to restore files from recycle bin. Open Windows Explorer and you will see a significant number of free space you have gained. In this way, you can meet the minimum requirement for free disk space if you're running out of extra space in your hard disks.